fireworks. I don't know if you can actually see fireworks, but we're gonna try. Yeah, what's up? I love me some fireworks. They've been going off in all directions in my neighborhood. I love the South. Seems like most of them have died though, but there's still some going on out there. My next door neighbors are quite amusing. Come on, give me more fireworks. Just go buy my own fireworks. Ooh, the light just went out. Ooh. Ah, there we go. They're so freaking cool. And really illegal. Because all of that money that North Carolina just lost to fireworks because they're illegal. South Carolina now has all of our money. Sounds like World War III out here for the all weekend. Well, who cares if people have to go to work tomorrow? I guess, yeah. I guess I'd prefer the 4th to fall on a Saturday, because then you can shoot crap off Friday and Saturday and Sunday. People are still crazy down here. There were fireworks going off at around 9 o'clock. And oops, more fireworks. Oh, that was lame. Only one? That's some shit. Okay. Fireworks going off around 9 o'clock, and a firework would go off, and then a giant bolt of lightning would follow it. And I'm sitting here going, oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm not even the one shooting off fireworks. Oh, sweet mother of God. They're everywhere. Oh, what is that? Ah, neighbors came out of nowhere. Oh, it's so cool. I love my life. My neighborhood is awesome. My neighbors are shooting off fireworks. People down by the pool are shooting off fireworks. Oh shit. They're everywhere. It's like zombies but cooler. Not as creepy or infectious. I guess I just compared fireworks to zombies. But that's okay. I don't know, I think it might be done. Maybe. Spin around in a circle. What's that? That is some unknown source of life. Okay, well, I think that's it. Since my neighbor's just scared the crap out of me. Ew, and I just stepped on a wet towel. Lovely. There's bugs. Bugs are everywhere. I'm the Blair Witch Project. Okay, I'm turning you off now. That was fun. Happy 4th. How do I turn this off?